Not all VPN deals are created equal. And if you're here, you're probably not just looking for the cheapest option, but the smartest one. In this video, I'll show you how to access the best current NordVPN discount and why it's the ideal choice if you're serious about online privacy, data protection, and long-term value. With just one click or a quick scan of the QR code on screen, you'll be taken straight to NordVPN's exclusive discount page, where savings of up to 70% are automatically applied. There's no promo code to type in, no coupon hunting, no gimmicks, just a clean, direct offer that rewards you for acting now. Here's what you're actually investing in. NordVPN gives you access to over 6,000 servers in more than 110 countries, all optimized for speed, privacy, and security. Whether you're at home, traveling, or using public Wi-Fi, your connection stays encrypted and your activity stays private. You can protect up to 10 devices on one account, including phones, laptops, tablets, smart TVs, and even routers. It's a smart way to secure your entire household without buying multiple subscriptions. Let's look at your options. The basic plan gives you everything you need to stay private online: lightning-fast VPN connections, military-grade encryption, and threat protection to keep malware and ads away. The Plus plan enhances that with Threat Protection Pro, which works 24/7, even when the VPN is off. It also includes NordPass, a powerful password manager, plus a breach scanner to alert you if your personal info ever leaks online. And if you're someone who stores sensitive documents or creative work in the cloud, the Complete plan adds 1 terabyte of encrypted storage with NordLocker, giving you full control over your digital life. Every plan includes easy-to-use apps for all major platforms, a strict no-logs policy, 24/7 support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Setup is simple. Just click the first link in the description or scan the QR code, choose your plan, and check out using credit card, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. Once you've signed up, I've included a step-by-step NordVPN tutorial in the description. It'll guide you through the installation process, how to use key features, and how to get the most protection for your setup. So if you want a smarter, simpler way to protect your privacy without overspending, this is your chance. Grab your discount now and make a smart move for your digital future.